The check valve and air stem both helps to pressurize your lantern's fuel tank and holds the pressure in the tank during use. The check valve is mounted at the bottom of your lantern's pump. It has a ball valve that allows air from the pump to enter the tank, but not escape. The air stem closes off all airflow through the check valve and provides the stem that the pump rides up and down on. The check valve can become clogged due to debris or old fuel. This can cause it to either leak air from the tank or not allow air in. Replacing the check valve and air stem is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Before installing a new check valve and air stem on your lantern, be sure to drain all of the fuel from the fuel tank. I'll use a pair of needle nose pliers to remove the pump. I'll place the pliers on the notches on either side, and then twist the pump. That unlocks it, and now I can pull it away from the lantern. Now I'll remove the stem from the check valve. The check valve sits at the base of the cylinder, and you'll need a large flat screwdriver to remove it. Now I can install the new check valve. I'll drop it down into the cylinder and secure it with the screwdriver. Make sure the threads align and you don't cross-thread it. Now I'll thread the stem back into the check valve. As I install the pump, I'll place some oil on the piston. This helps to seal the piston against the cylinder and keep it from being damaged as it slides up and down the cylinder. Now I slide the piston into the cylinder, aligning the pump with the stem. I'll align the ears on the cap with the lantern, and then once again use my needle nose pliers to secure it. And that's all it takes to install a new check valve and air stem in your lantern. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.